नमस्ते दोस्तों, माइंड सेफ लक्ष्मी प्रिया। वेलकम टू आवर ब्यूटीफुल चैनल एडुको स्किल्स। आज का टॉपिक थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। हम जिसके बीच में रहते हैं उसको इन्वायरमेंट बोलते हैं। इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में आप लोग तो थोड़ा बहुत जानते होंगे, तो चलो आज उसको विस्तार से जानते हैं रिंकू सर के क्लास में।
Hello, hi, namaste and sat sri akal. We have to be introduce this chapter environment. Okay, first of all, whenever you are just living inside our world, then after we must have to know about some sort of your world. Before you go towards your world, first of all you must have to be know some sort of idea, or you have to be some sort of idea about your social. Okay, before you go throughout the social, then after first of all you must have to go towards your environment. Okay, what is environment? First of all we have to be understand. Okay, environment, which one is contents, which one is observes, or which one is a mixture of, which one is a mixture of natural, human made and humans, like that. Whenever you go throughout these components of the environment, first of all there would be, we have to be start what is now. First of all it's your environment. If you have to be consider here environment, this one is your environment. Then environment is divided into three types, like your what now, one is your what now, natural. Okay, before you go towards your natural, if you go towards your natural, is your natural thing. Okay, and this natural is divided into many more types, like your four types. What are these now? First of all your biosphere. Biosphere, what is biosphere? First of all you have to be know this. What is biosphere? What is bio? Bio means जो चीज में क्या है, जीव का सत्ता है, जिसके ऊपर भगवान सदैया है। यानी भगवान की वजह से हम लोग इंसान बने हैं, कुछ चीज जो गाय बने हैं, कुछ चीज जो कि जंगल के जानवर बने हैं, लाइक दैट दीज ऑल आर द बायोस्फीयर्स एंड योर ट्री इज ऑल्सो गोज इनसाइड दिस. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? If you go towards this biosphere, what is biosphere? First of all you must have to understand. Okay, any living thing, that's your biosphere. Inside your biosphere, and biosphere contains tree, animals, human beings, all that things, like your from kids to what now old person, from a just a kid tree to big tree. And it will be also contains what now the animals, from the calf to cow, from the cat to tiger, from the lizard to dinosaur, all that things inside this biosphere. Do you understand? Okay, clear? Then after you must have to go another thing. What's your lithosphere? What is lithosphere? Lithosphere in general term, first of all fundamentally we have to know that this is land. What is land? Land, which one is just a mix of what na solid things, or which one is contains mods and some sort of minerals, some sort of metallic things. Okay, if you go towards your lithosphere, it will be contains what na hill, land, farming land, your field, your playground, etc. These are inside the lithosphere. Do you not understand? Then after you have to go towards your what now atmosphere. Atmosphere, atom. What is atom? What is atom? It's just a small quantity, or it's a small thing of the things. Okay, and this atom in general term we know that atom means air. Okay, air means which one is contains your oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, or other things. Okay, like that. Whenever what is atmosphere, first of all you have to be understand, it's just a surrounding, it's just a surrounding, or it's just a cover, it's just a quotation, or it's just a coat towards our world, which one is avoids very serious blue rays, which one is comes from our solar. Like that blue rays, there is also many more types of rays which one is available inside our solar rays, which one is very serious towards our human being or biosphere. Okay, to protect the biosphere inside the world, to protect the biosphere inside the world, and to protect the what now, to protect the lithosphere of the world, this atmosphere is makes a cover upon the world due by what? Now due to the gravitational force. Due to the gravitational force, it's just touched or it's just sponge. It's just what? Now pulled towards the earth due to the gravitational force. If there would be no gravitational force inside our earth, then there is no atmosphere upon our earth. Do you understand? Okay. Then after we have to go what? Hydrosphere. Very serious thing. Hydrosphere. हाइड्रो, व्हाट इज हाइड्रो? हाइड्रो मीन्स व्हाट? जो चीज में हाइड्रोजन है और ऑक्सीजन है उसको हाइड्रो बोला जाता है। यानी आप लोगों को पता है H2O जो कि वाटर है, यानी यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट H2O, दिस वन इज योर व्हाट? ना वाटर। If it's water, then hydro is comes from what? Now this word hydra or that thing is your H2O, that's your hydro. Okay, and we know that the living thing starts from the what? Now from the water. First, if you go towards the biosphere, and the biosphere first of all starts, or biocycle starts from water. Up to understand? All of you understand? Okay, then after these all are the natural things, or natural things which one is contains what? Now biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. These four components of the natural things. Do you understand? If you clearly understand, then after we must have to go towards what? Now man-made or human-made. Human-made. What is human-made? If you go towards your Howrah Bridge, that's not done by nature. That's not done by nature. That's done by a human. That's done by a engineer. Which means every engineer or doctor, all the things which may be done by them, that all are called your what? Na human-made. Human-made. Sorry, human-made. Human-made means what? First of all, building. Second one is your factory. Third one is your what? House. Fourth one is your what? Ship. Fifth one is your what? All the transporting things, all the transporting components, like your bus, car, jeep, etc., JCB, etc. Do you understand what is JCB? If you go towards it, it's not JCB, it's just an earth mover. JCB is the first company which one is produce, which one is introduce the earth mover things. So that's why now this day, if there would be, we have to see any type of earth movers, we are just saying that JCB. What is JCB? Just it's not in your courses. It's just a chukula. Okay, you have to fresh your mind. If you go to, if I have to be give you what? Notes. Then after you have to spread these notes towards your friend. By what? You are saying that, sir, just take the paper and go to the Xerox shop and take it. No, that's not Xerox shop, that's the photocopy shop. Okay, that machine is not your Xerox machine, that machine is your what? Now photocopy machine. Okay, Xerox is the first company which one is introduced this photocopy machine towards the world. So that's from that day that photocopy machine is called by us as Xerox. Okay, but it's not correct. Understand? Like that, some sort of things which one is available inside our India or inside our world, which one is just commonly named. Like if you are just going to be wash your t-shirt or wash your shirt, first of all, there is no detergent inside your home. You are just going to what? Go to the shop and you are just asking, there is any type of surf is available? Tide surf, okay surf? No. That are the detergents. Surf is the first company which one is introduced the detergent. Okay, like that. Okay, fine. It's your joke. It's just chutkula for your study. Okay, thank you. We have to go towards our study time. First of all, our natural things is complete and human-made things are complete. First, then after we are just going to the what? Now human. हाँ, एक कहावत है हिंदू शास्त्र के अनुसार, क्या है भाई? हमारा भागवत में ये बोला गया है, क्या बोला गया है भाई? दुर्लभ जीवन पाइछि मनुष्य जन्म पाइछि दुर्लभ जीवन पाइछि इट मीन्स दैट ह्यूमन लाइफ इट्स जस्ट ए important it's just a lucky life it's we can what we can transfer we can communicate with each other we can transfer or we can transfer our what feelings towards each other there is no biosphere there is no thing inside our biosphere who may transfer their what sadness or happiness only one is your human who can or who may transfer what now his feeling towards or her feeling towards her friend towards her husband towards your child or towards his wife or towards his son towards his friend okay so that's why it's said as in our Sanatan Bhagavad Gita but na human manisha janma durlabha janma okay so that's what just what's your mind then after we must have to be go towards human what is human sir if you go towards anything you are just live inside your home that home having named as Sanatan Nivas Parth Ram Nivas Partha Nivas whatever may be that's your home which one is contains father mother grandmother grandfather uncle aunt brother sister etc okay if you go or out from that home you are just going towards your what your village which one is contains many more relationships many more types of relations with each other maybe brothers maybe friends maybe uncle maybe sisters whatever maybe that's your village if you go out from your village then it becomes as your ward it's as your ward or council or gram panchayat if you go from that things then after you must have to go towards what now go towards your block go towards your municipality whatever may be if you out from that then after you must have to go towards your what now assemblies legislative assemblies after that legislative assembly you just go towards what now go towards your parliament section then after you must have to go if you drag out or if you have to be out from that parliamentary session then after you must have to go towards your nation and very much and very happily I am saying that I am just an Indian because India is a type of nation which one is contains many more types of religions okay which one is just a what different colors of religions different colors of human beings are find out here okay thank you then after you have to be go out from your country then after you have to be go towards your what the continental then after the continental you have to go towards your what the earth okay earth is just a what a planet like that earth there is many more or 1 lakhs or more than that of 1 lakhs or more than that of 1 crore whatever may be the numbers of earths are available inside our what na solar region okay and we are just living what inside what the Milky galaxy system understand we are just going to the Milky Way galaxy system on your next class before you go to that sections you have to be clear all these things what is an environment which one is divided into 3 types one is your natural second one is your human made third one is your human okay do you understand all of you maybe understand I think that's so okay clear then after you have to go towards what now biotic and abiotic what is biotic what is abiotic biotic means which one is having some sort of lives or which one is having a living organism like your human animal trees etc it means what na biotic which one is your biotic that contains all that things which one is having some sort of life inside there is भगवान विष्णु जिसके मन में बैठे हैं जिसके अंतर में बैठे हैं उसी को ही जीव बोला जाता है भाई कोई भी ट्री हो, या फिर उड़ीसा का रिलीजन पे आप लोग चले जाते हो, और अगर आप उड़ीसा का हो तो आपको पता होगा कि भगवान जगन्नाथ जी का जब बनते हैं, जगन्नाथ जी 12 साल में, तो किससे बनते हैं? नीम पेड़ से बनते हैं। और वो नीम पेड़ जो है वो इंपोर्टेंट चीज होना चाहिए, ठीक है, यानी उसमें भी जीवन होना चाहिए, यानी ट्री में और जो जितने भी ट्री है उस सब में जीवन रहता है। समझ में आया भाई? तो वो भी बायोटिक में चला जाता है। समझ में आ गया भाई? क्लियर? And then after abiotic. What is abiotic? Abiotic means what? Now abiotic, which one is having, which one is not having life, and which one is not taking breath, which one is not taking food, which one is not taking, which one is not taking anything or not outing anything. But you have to be know that what are these? Car, was, building, bridge, etc. Understand? These are the abiotic things. But if you have to be go towards your environment, now this day environment is just polluted. Environment is just polluted. It means your lithosphere is also polluted, your hydrosphere is also polluted, your atmosphere is also polluted. By whom? By whom? There I have also said that what are these? Na biosphere, by the you by for the biosphere or by the biosphere, these three spheres are polluted. How, sir? You are just asking that how, sir? If you go towards our lifestyle, we are using now these days plastic hugely, which one cannot be composted, which one is very much very dangerous towards our what? Na lithosphere or land space. And then after, if you go towards your what hydrosphere section, you also know that plastic also the main region, the plastic also the main region to pollute the hydrosphere also. And there is, we are also situating many more type of factories which one is just dragged out their asses or many more rejected things towards your what? Now your river or towards your what? Sea, or towards your sea, which one is very serious towards your lithosphere. By these things the lithosphere is also polluted. That also done by what? Now by the biospheres, by the biospheres. Then after we go towards your atmosphere or air section. If you go towards our air section, it's also polluted by the biosphere peoples. By what? We are using huge amounts of automobiles. Automobiles means vehicles for our transportation, for our shifting from one place to another place. Now this day we are using huge amounts of fuels to burn that and transport. And from that burning of the fuel, there is very dangerous nitrogen or NOx, nitrous things is released. And another thing is your carbon dioxide, which one is your very dangerous towards your biosphere. That's also released from the burning of the fuels. By this your air or atmosphere is also polluted. Understand that due to the biosphere these three spheres are polluted. Clear? All of it clear? Okay, if you understand all these things. Ecosystem. Okay, before you go towards this ecosystem which is contains plants and the animals. If you go towards your any park or any zoo, inside which there is different regions animals and different regions plants are available inside that zoo. You also know that if you go towards, if you are living inside Orissa, then after you also visit at your lifetime once only to Nandankanan Zoo, which one just a ecosystem. It means there is different types of plants are available, there is different types of animals are available. Different types of animals means what? If there would be bear, bear. If you go towards the bear, there is one is your black and another is your white. White bears, which are only see or which one only find out at the ice regions. But how can they live inside Nandankanan? Odisha, it's just a hot region. It's just a hot region. It means it's a hot region. It means the temperature of the Odisha is not normal. It's just higher. It's just small amount of higher than that of the north regions of the India. But there is also white bears are available. If you go towards to see the black panthers, there is also available. How can it may be possible, sir? It will be conducted at the ecosystem, which one is conducted by the state government or the central government to conserve the different types of animals, different types of plants inside a surround. That's called the ecosystem, inside which different regions plants we are find out, different region animals we are find out. Clear? Thank you. To close of this class, we will be see you or we have to meet on another day.